Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Thankfully today we can say we've managed to take some profit after what seemed like forever and being in some drawdown, which was a week ago, having the day that we had, Friday no trade, Monday break even, Tuesday taking a small loss, Wednesday no trade, so I didn't trade yesterday, but today I ended up taking 2. I know it shows 4 here, but I'll get into that and how that kind of breaks down. So let's get into the first trade that we had for today. So for Nasdaq, of course, in fact, S&P also gone into all-time highs. So I was just trying to basically be on the right side of that, taking longs throughout this. So ended up catching a buy towards this move here and took my position off above this high. I was still looking to see if we would have some further run up, but had signs of a reversal here, or a retracement at least, so I just wanted to be out of the trade, so I took that off here. And this one was for, how can we check trades, so this one gave 346 as a profit, and then as you can see the next trade split up into 3 trades, so we'll go through these really quickly as well. So this was for the New York PM session. Reason I'm trading PM at the moment is just to ensure that we have enough volume of trades if there is something that sets up, because right now sitting at a 1% drawdown with I believe 6 more trading days before the account would mean I have to pay again. So we have Friday and then, yeah, all through next Friday. So 6 trading days before the Monday. The Monday would be another payment on the account. So still going to see how things kind of play out and whether I actually keep this account or just try to go all out and try and pass it, or just blow it and then just buying a brand new account. We'll see how things kind of pan out over the next few days, but that's something on the radar at the moment. But for the next trade, very similar trade to the one that we had in the New York AM. So it took a long here, did start going in my favor, but did have a little bit of a retracement back in to then take it higher. So I took half the position above this high here, so 4 of the micros, then took 2 micros at this high, and then the final 2 micros was when we saw what seemed to be a bit more of a retracement or a reversal. So I just wanted to be out of the trade. So when I start to see things like that, I just want to be out and just manage a trade as it is there. So for this trade, it was 92 for this, 77 for this, and then 38 on what we got stopped out on here. So not bad. So 544 on the day now. So let's look back up here. We're now at 370 in drawdown, but we are now 1.4 thousand away from the maximum loss limit. So what I'm going to do is start upping the risk again to about 1% for the next trade. I have obviously been reducing the position size for these trades, but we've now come back to about 1% in drawdown. So what I'm going to do is go to 1% again for the position size, so hopefully that will kind of pan out. And something interesting that I found in the analysis earlier, so it's something that I'm quite interested in looking into just as I have more data on my trading, but all of my winning trades have been between 10 minutes and 1 hour. But I did check the trade that was between this section, 30 minutes to 1 hour, which is actually 35 minutes. So all of my trades that are winners are between 10 and 35 minutes, so within that interval. So yes, I am sort of scalping. I'm just looking for some short-term movements within the market, but anything under a 10-minute has always been a loser, and I don't think I've had any trades over an hour. So it just shows that once I hit that 10-minute mark, I often will then see my trade go in my favor, which is a good thing because it means that I'm very quickly getting out of the trades when they are not in my favor. So something interesting to look at there. So now, coming into some profit for the week now after what we had as a loss of last week. So still have Friday for this week to hopefully close out the week. We'll be, of course, taking a 1% trade if something pans out for tomorrow, which could eat back into this profit that was made for today. But just given that I have up until the 19th, because the 22nd would be the payment day, gives 6 more trading days to basically do 7% on the account. So what we'll look to do is just up the risk and play it as it goes. So we'll see how things pan out from here. But yeah, hopefully everybody's had a good week trading. Also, for those that are watching, if anyone has any comments, do let me know if you've been in a similar position to this, where you're going to be coming up for payment of the account again for the second month, how you've sort of played it, because this is the first time I've actually traded a futures account. I've only done the CFD accounts in the past, but it's just a one-off fee like FTMO. So something new to me. Would be nice to hear from others how they kind of play that out, but we'll kind of see how that goes. But yeah, catch you in the next video.